Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to recover WP admin URL in case we forgot it. Here I have my website and I forgot the WP admin URL. So in this tutorial we will learn how to recover it. Please don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe our channel. First go to your cPanel, log in and open File Manager. And then go to the WP Contents and go to the plugins and search for the plugin that you use to hide your WP admin URL. Here I have used WPS hide. Generally people use for 5 meters old. Let's rename it. After renaming, it will be disabled. If you don't know your plugin, then rename all the plugin one by one and try. Now let's refresh it. Now let's write WP admin and see we have successfully recovered our WP admin login URL. In this way you can recover your WP admin login URL. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe our channel.